beginning of each science lesson, 2 students from every group will go and observe the water containers and then record them on a chart. Now, at the beginning there were 2 groups, one group that had the container inside and one group that had the container outside. So different students from each group will observe them each day. However, the whole class and each group will all have a big chart that we record on. So each student has a chart and the whole class has a chart to make sure we're all on the same page. So each day the students are going to go out or stay in depending on which group they're in, and they're going to look at their containers. So we place the tape here at the top of the water line. So the water started at the top of the piece of tape. So looking at this one here with the lid that was inside, the water is still at the same level it was before. So I'm going to write that on our chart. So each day they say, has the water level changed? And they say yes or no, and then if it has changed, they'll describe it. So for this one, it says, has the water level changed? I said no, so I don't answer the second question. But then I need to look at the open container from the inside. So same thing, we put the tape at the top of the water level, and I can tell that the water is just a little bit down from it. So it has changed. So I'm going to say yes, the water level has changed. And I'd say it's a little lower than the tape line. I could say about 1 centimeter lower. And then I would take this back to the whole group and share it with the whole group, and we write it on our big chart. And then the people who had the outside containers would observe the outside containers and would also write it on the chart. And we would do this every day so that by the end of the week we have a running tally of how the water has or hasn't changed.